so today we're having an ice cream tour. So there's 10 things that I like about this thing and I don't like. So why I don't order too much of this, I have seen this. I don't. So this is my first time ordering this. This why I don't want to order any ice cream that is look like miniature or 3D. Look, it doesn't even squish. Look, this is an ordinary squishy. I mean, that's not it. So let's show the undercase of Unreal ice cream. So there, but this one, that's it. But yeah, if you want to buy this one, it's 150 for you in America with dollars. And here, well, I guess it's pesos. You know that guy. So yeah, I'm gonna bring the squishies into school so they can earn this. That's why I don't like too much of this ice cream. I made this video for so that's why you see I'm wearing this sandal bras like that all the time. My friend Elena Sena, check her. The St. Joseph Girls is supposed to be Elena Sena. Change it to Crazy Port and then change it to the St. Joseph Girls. And we started our group since last year and she wanted to change it, so I hope you like and subscribe every videos that he has. And then my friend and Moon Kikas, Pabeben Kikas and Jada. So this is my sister. Hope you didn't get mad at me.
Oh no!
Because I supposed to yeah, she doesn't want to go into the video and wanted just to play. But tomorrow, if you're watching this, my dear friend Reiko, if you're watching this, tomorrow is her special day, birthday, her 9th birthday. And since we're four best friends, my sister, MC, Maria Carlos, Reiko, and me, I'm the oldest of there because I'm 2007. And Rico and MC and Lourdes, my sisters, is 2009. Rico and MC is 2008. So I am 1 year older. So that's why sometimes when we go together and have some beer, I always go first because I'm old. And yeah, shout out to my friend and yeah, happy 9th birthday, best friend. So yeah, that's why that's my head hurts really bad. I wanted to make this video. So someone text. So this is not an ordinary, but yeah, if you wanted you to buy the ice cream, just talk me into talk me to the comment down below if you wanted this to be ordered at you, and subscribe if you want to be free giveaway of a squishy. If you like and subscribe this free giveaway, you'll be on the air. Just say to me that I like and subscribe, and this will be yours in 1 day or 1 week or maybe later. Oh, and yeah, so there's things. Yeah, if you wanted to buy this, just tell me. Just tell me I wanted you to be there. I'm so proud of you. You're not ever shine at me. Shine. Just shine your spirit. Shine. Oh, my head hurts really. So, yeah. This is is actually not my phone. So my phone is actually a mini phone. So it's not that kind of thing. And yeah. So there's that 5 different sizes. That's it. No? So this 3D looking squishy. This doesn't like, it's so squishy, but the sprinkle hurts. Just kidding. It's so squishy, even the under is squishy. And but look. But this thing is, be right back. So we're back and so really it just fell up and then it fell off the ice cream. Wow, what a really wow. And you guys, so there's 5 things that you don't know about this one. So this one is much more squishier than, you know what I'm talking about, this one. So, but it's so squishy and smells so good. Oh my god. All of this smells really kind of bad, like, oh, really. I found it. It's in the edge of the corner of the bed. So it smells so ice cream, so good. I'm so like sleepy, but if you're sleepy, good night. Just kidding. I'm not gonna be tired about this math because I can be brave. Because I am brave. So hit that subscribe button to me. Okay? If you like the video, please subscribe. Because if you subscribe, I'll be giving 3 giveaways. Ice cream, strawberry, and last but not least, panda. So yeah, so that's it. Bye guys, and good night.